If you've been watching my Instagram page for a while, then you know I post this video a lot of Nicki Minaj when she's talking about, basically how people will call you lazy and tell you get a real job when you out here trying to chase your dreams, and whether it be trying to be a rapper like she was trying to do or whether you're trying to build a business, man. I want y'all to listen to this right quick.
A job. I'll figure it out. I'll book a God that he now has an opportunity to make money and to make a way for himself. Mm-hmm. You wouldn't have had this opportunity had I not pushed my pen. He told me to stop trying to pursue rap. He told me that I was living in a fantasy world and it would never happen. His mother, and his sister called me a lazy bitch because I was pursuing my rap career.
And that's exactly how it's gonna go. People gonna tell you lazy. You need to get a real job. All of that shit. You know what I mean? And you got to be able to push through all of that. And I'm telling you this not because I'm telling you to resent these people that's telling you that. Let me move this over so y'all can know who's talking to y'all. Follow that right there. But anyway, I'm telling you this because you got to be prepared for this. Because I'm going to tell you, these family members and close friends that's telling you get a real job or that's a scam or that ain't going to work. They're only telling you that most of the time out of love. Some of them telling you out of hating and jealousy and all of that. But most of the time they're telling you that because they're trying to protect you. You know what I mean? They feel like they know what's best for you. They want average. They want you to want average. You know what I mean? And they think that certain things ain't possible for them. Therefore, it can't be possible for you. But you got to know what's inside you that it is possible for you. And you got to be bold enough and courageous enough to go out there and go get it. Despite the odds being hard as hell. And despite all of the people around you that you love and that you feel that you thought loved you doubting you. You got to overcome that because, and again, don't take it personal. Just prepare and understand that's how it's supposed to go. If you were doing something, like if you were doing average shit, the average people would approve of it. But you got to understand, most of these people around you, they average so they wouldn't get it anyway. And that's not a knock to them. That's not an insult to them. It's just the truth. Most people ain't going for their big dream. Most people just trying to get by. You know what I mean? So if you're not trying to get by, you trying to go for something bigger, you got to be able to shut the noise off and go for it anyway. You know what I mean? They're going to tell you how much they were always believing in you later anyway. You know what I mean? You can bring them back on later. But right now, you got to lock in, ignore the haters, ignore the critics, ignore the naysayers, and go for what you know.